In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a new tax return in TurboTax and complete the basic filing process. We'll walk through the main flow in a simple, practical way so you know exactly what to expect from start to finish. The goal here is to begin a new return, move through the key sections, and then submit it electronically once everything is ready. First, start a new return in TurboTax. This creates a fresh filing session where all of your tax details will be entered and organized. As you begin, make sure you're working in the correct tax year and using the return that matches your filing needs. Starting clean helps avoid confusion and keeps your information structured correctly from the beginning. Next, complete the personal info section. This is where you enter your basic filing details, such as your identity, filing status, and other background information needed for the return. Take your time in this section, because these details affect how the rest of the return is prepared. Accuracy matters here, and even small errors can lead to delays later in the process. After that, move into the income section. This is where you report the money you earned during the year. Depending on your situation, this can include wages, self-employment income, investment income, or other taxable sources. Be careful to enter each item exactly as shown on your tax documents. If anything looks inconsistent, pause and review it before moving on. Clean, accurate income entry helps reduce filing issues and makes the rest of the return easier to complete. Then continue to the deductions section. This part helps determine whether you qualify for tax breaks that could reduce your taxable income. As you work through it, follow the prompts carefully and only enter information that applies to your situation. If TurboTax asks follow-up questions, that's normal. It uses your answers to calculate the return correctly in the background. As you complete these sections, TurboTax will automatically populate Form 1040 behind the scenes. That means the software is taking the information you